Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. So this is my version of my dear friend's video. She did a YouTube video as well. I'm gonna link it in the description box below, but I'm also gonna put a little picture over here. So before you watch this video, I suggest that you click that link and go watch hers because it's super good and super wholesome, and yeah, she's just the sweetest. I'm being a total copycat and I'm gonna try and recreate my own version of what intuitive eating looks like, and also just what we eat in a day. It's respecting and honoring your body when it is hungry and not going into like these fad diet sort of things. And if you are hungry, then your body's trying to say to eat, and try and make healthy choices along the way. If you eat one unhealthy thing or like a treat, it's not going to make you unhealthy like in an instant. That takes like a long time to do that. So don't feel bad if you do want to indulge in like a piece of chocolate. Oh, I have a really good question. What is your go-to breakfast? The reason why I'm asking breakfast is because breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I love it. Is it cereal? Is it a smoothie? Is it eggs? Let me know in the comment section.
Finger foods. Some banana. And then can I borrow this from you? Hang on, I'm gonna give it back, don't worry. And then some, don't throw that please. Avocado. Is that yummy? Then, so she didn't finish her breakfast. Also, this angle is great. She didn't finish that huge bowl of porridge for herself. So I have these, which I just got from the supermarket. Like, I just got from New World. But these ones are reusable, which we like, because environment. So, yeah. I just put the rest of it in here, and then she can have it like tomorrow morning, ready like this. And then you can just add like what it is and when you made it, so that you know when it goes off or when you need to use it by. Love it. Reusable food pouch. It's a must-have. Right, it's Mummy's breakfast time. Mummy on the go, because it's a smoothie. Put some water. I don't have oat milk anymore, so regular milk. This is her leftover banana. I don't want to waste it, and I know if I put this much in the fridge, nobody's gonna eat it. So I will. I love peanut butter. So I'm gonna put like a load of peanut butter in. So this flavor that I'm making, I'm calling it like my Snickers protein smoothie, because to me it tastes like a healthy version of Snickers. Right, cocoa powder next. I don't really measure out my smoothies. I just sort of wing it. So maybe just like 1 heaped spoon of that. Then, last but not least, is my protein powder. I know it says that it's coffee flavored. No. So it doesn't actually have coffee in it. And to me, it doesn't actually taste like coffee. You kind of are getting more of like the toffee and caramelly notes from coffee rather than actual coffee. Like the bitterness of coffee, you don't get that. So that's why I'm adding this for the Snickers, because the cocoa is like the chocolate. The peanut butter is like little peanuts in there, and this kind of acts as like that caramelly nougat thing. And then that's it. That's my smoothie. Ready? Gonna blend it. Ready for loud sound? Feeling good. This is just me blatantly foreshadowing. I will be having this later. I already know it. Oh, my baby. My baby wants to escape her seat. And we're off. Breakfast is done. Feeling energized. Oh, you're gonna do some cleaning. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I'm showered, I'm dressed. Baby's sleeping. And I just did some chores. I did like cleaning the kitchen, I did some laundry, unpacked and repacked the dishwasher. And now I'm super thirsty because I just realized I haven't had water since I woke up. Like since breakfast, I mean. So I'm gonna have some water and then I'm gonna take my skin collagen supplement because I'm breaking out. Because I think it's almost that time of the month, so I'm gonna have a sip of water first. Delicious. Lunchtime. I made a packed lunch. 1, 2. There's one tiny burger for a tiny person. And me and my mom are gonna share this kind of squashed one. Hamburgers for lunch. Don't drop it. Oh, don't put it on your feet. Very good. What do you think? Should I bite your piece off? Just woke up from a nap, so you know what that means. It's snack time. For me as well, I'm kind of hungry. And I know exactly what I'm gonna have. This is for baby. It's her favorite at the moment. No health or nutrition to it at all. It's just a plain butter sandwich. She just likes it. It's afternoon tea time. This is homemade yogurt, by the way. It's passion fruit flavor. Pretty good, eh? Good job. Again? Are you gonna drink it again? Good job. I'm making dinner for my tiny person. So we've just got some pork and cabbage dumplings. This is being ambitious. 3 is quite ambitious. Then I've just steamed some edamame beans. I've also got some just garden peas. And here's her little dinner, how cute. She will gobble these up. I don't know about these, and she'll try these. There you go. I'm gonna one at a time. 1, thank you. Just 1. Okay. Yeah, I'm filming. It is dinner time almost. And we just got our HelloFresh delivered. I love HelloFresh. If you don't know what it is, it's like this meal delivery sort of system where you download this app and they have like 15 or more different meals per week and you just choose which ones you want.
and you can substitute things that you don't want. So like if one dish has chicken but you want to have it without the chicken and you just want to replace it with a vegetable, you can do that. It's just super versatile, super handy. You don't have to think much about dinner. We get 3 meals a week from HelloFresh, which is just so nice because it means that I get 3 days where I don't have to think about what I want to make for dinner. Today's meal is Korean style roasted eggplant with garlic rice, sesame veggies, and roasted cashews. Also, if you want to try out HelloFresh, I have my code, which will get you $100 off your first box. This is what we've got. Ooh. Here's our cashews, some chili flakes, yum, some green beans, some bok choy, yum, an onion. Here's our eggplant, rice, and samjang paste, stir fry sauce, stock. Dinner time. Let's try. I'm usually not one for eggplant actually, which is quite surprising considering that I chose this meal. No, this is pretty good. And that's our day finished. A day of what we eat. Does it look good? Did you enjoy everything? Did you? She's trying to watch the TV. Anyway, thanks everybody for joining me with this day of eating. I feel very good. I feel very full. I feel very happy. I feel very nourished. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on my one social media platform because I don't know how to Twitter. I'll put that right here. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye. Bye.